Alright, my dear student, welcome back to your French language course online. Je m'appelle Chidi. In this lesson, we are going to focus on numbers. We're going to learn how to count in French. There's a table that I have included here which contains numbers 0 to 100. And we're going to use that table to learn how to count from 0 to 100. And then higher numbers, I'll give you some cues, some tips on how to form higher numbers, and you can proceed with that. I will encourage you to go and read this section. It contains some more background information on numbers, and that is in English. So I will proceed to counting. You will listen to me read through these numbers and try to repeat after me. That is a quicker way to learn a language. You hear, you repeat. Language is spoken, so you hear it, you say it. We'll go through the counting, and then I can discuss briefly some of the key areas where you pay attention to. Otherwise, if you read this first paragraph, you will see that it is straightforward counting in French. Let me pull this up for a second. Répétez s'il vous plaît. 0. So with this, let me note quickly. You have the number written. You have the way it is written in words, but you also have the phonetic transcription, the International Phonetic Alphabet transcription, to help you to see how it is pronounced. So this is pronounced 0. All right, and it's written Z, E accent aigu, R, O. All right. 1. So you remember when we learned the nasal vowel, 1. And I said that some people may pronounce it as 1. So 1, 2, 3, but some people will say 1, 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth. 1. Répétez. 2. So you can see the phonetic transcription of E and U. 2. 0, 1, 2, 3. So you see the phonetic transcription T, R, W. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Now, just a quick note, we have now counted from 1 to 20, and you can see as from 21, you can see what happens. We're now saying 20 and 1. Remember that A is and. 20 and 1. So that's the way it works. Now, after that 20 and 1, now note that in the other ones we don't have and, but we have hyphenation to connect 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and then we transition to 30, and we repeat the same module up here. All right, répétez. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 30, and then you transition again to 30 and 1. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 40. You transition again, 40 and 1. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. And then you transition 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59,